Good morning, students. Today I will start topic 2. I had discussed about the different type of goods in macroeconomics chapter 1, such as final goods, intermediate goods, productions, consumption, self-consumption, exchange, etc. Today I will start capital goods and producer goods. Capital goods are fixed goods. We know that producers are able to produce the different type of goods and services for the consumer which is available in the market, and consumer are to purchase the different type of commodity by the purchasing power. But the producers are produce the goods by the help of factors of production, and these factors of production are land, labor and capital. Land is a passive factor, labor is an active factor, capital is a fixed factor. But there are two type of capitals. One is fixed, another is variable. कैपिटल गुड्स जो है वो दो तरह का होता है, एक होता है वेरिएबल और एक होता है फिक्स्ड. फिक्स्ड कैपिटल मीन्स लैंड, बिल्डिंग, big machinery, plant, etc. But variable capital such as raw material, uses of electricity, uses of fuel, casual labor, etc. But producers are able to use both the factors such as variable factor and the fixed factor. Fixed factor are also called consumption of fixed factor. So capital goods are fixed assets of the producers. These goods are used in the process of productions for the several years, for the more and more years, and one of the high values such as plant and big machinery, land and permanent labor also. So this is the capital goods, and producers are uses the capital goods, but they uses a variable goods also, variable factor also, and this is the raw material mainly, or this is also called a voluntary investment. All the capital goods are producer goods, but all the producer goods are not capital goods, because in the capital goods the variable factor raw material, the fixed factor land, machinery are included. So the producer factor are not included in the all the capitals, because raw material are uses only one time, but the machinery, land, building, plant, these are uses in a several years. So we have to discuss about the consumption of fixed factor. Now consumption goods and capital goods. Consumption goods are those type of goods which is directly consumed by the consumer, and consumer are getting a maximum satisfaction for the one time. Expenditure of the consumption goods is called also consumption expenditure, and higher production of the consumption goods leads to the higher level of welfare of the people. In economics, only economic activities are included in national income or the income of the consumer or the consumer. So only the satisfaction, it is concerned with the satisfaction of the consumption's level of the consumer. But capital goods are related with the producer, because producers are uses the different type of factors, factors services, factors of production, that is one of them is capital goods, and capital goods is land, building and machinery, and these goods are not consumed by the directly household. Instead these are used by the producers for the further production and for the several year, for the more and more years. So expenditure are on a capital goods is called a investment expenditure. Now concept and components of the consumption expenditure. Consumption is related with the consumer and production is related with the producer, but producer and consumer both are spend their money. Producers are able to produce the goods and he spend the money on their factor services, and consumer are spend their money on their consumption. Now next, concept of components of investment. What is investment? Investment का मीनिंग क्या है? Investment such as fixed investment, inventory investment. Investment means expenditure which is spent by the consumer, which is spent by the producer. Both of them are very important for our economy. So there are two types of investment. If the producers are able to spend their money on the factor services, it is called the expenditure or the investment. Investment equal to delta K. K means capital goods, and capital goods are included in variable goods or the fixed goods. So that is why the fixed factor or the variable factor, it means raw material and building plant machinery are included in investment. Whether it is fixed investment or it is inventory investment, both the investment are included in when the producers are produce the different type of goods. So first of all, the fixed investment. Fixed investment refers to increase the stock of the fixed assets such as building, plant, machinery and permanent employee of the producers during an accounting year. और ये फिक्स फैक्टर जो है इसको हम लोग कंजम्पशन ऑफ फिक्स फैक्टर भी बोलते हैं. ये एक ऐसा इन्वेस्टमेंट है जो प्रोड्यूसर किसी भी गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस करने के समय में इन्वेस्ट करता है. ये बिल्डिंग के ऊपर, प्लांट के ऊपर, मशीनरी के ऊपर, परमानेंट एम्प्लॉय के ऊपर, जो बहुत सालों तक वो यूज कर